Hi, it's Ariana back with another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to resize web design elements by value. When creating a pixel-perfect design, there will be times when you need to resize a page element to an exact width and height. That's where resizing by value comes in. Resizing by value lets you enter the exact width and height of an element. To follow along, be sure to sign up for a free WebStarts account at WebStarts.com. Click the button that says Sign Up. It's free. In the next step, select a template. You can pick any template since they're all 100% customizable and can be changed at any time. In the next step, enter your name and email address, then choose a password. During the last step, enter the desired web address or add a domain name. If you choose to add a domain name, you must first upgrade to a paid subscription. For this example, I'm using a free account and I'm going to select my web address later, so I'm going to click Choose Later. If you already have a WebStarts account, go to WebStarts.com, click on the Login button, and enter your credentials. When you're logged in, the first thing you see is the dashboard. This is where you manage all your site-wide settings. We're going to be editing the pages of our website, so we hover over the site thumbnail and click the Edit Site button. That opens the page editor. Let's start by adding an element to our page. I'm going to start off with a box, so I locate the box on the sidebar and drag it into place. Next, I'm going to change the color and border of the box and round the corners. I do that by clicking the attached style icon and adjusting the settings. Now it's time to resize our box by value. Select the box and click the attached settings icon. Enter the exact width and height in pixels into the fields provided and click Apply. That's it. You're well on your way to creating a pixel-perfect web design utilizing Resize by value. Don't forget to save your changes. And don't forget to subscribe and visit WebStarts.com to create your very own free website and see more helpful videos like this.